Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out what's in the box of my new South Bend clutch 13125 OK HD. So this is a clutch for basically any 5.9 with a manual transmission. I want to say it's the same for the NV5600, but basically any Dodge, Ram, Cummins with the NV4500 transmission, this is going to be the clutch that will fit in your truck. They do have a 13125 OK without the HD, but it can only hold up to, I think, 350 horsepower and 750 foot-pounds of torque. So for a little bit extra, you can upgrade to the HD. You get the HD clutch disc, and this one is rated up to 425 horsepower and 900 foot-pounds of torque. So I highly recommend that. It isn't. I think it's about $75 more. In my opinion, it's well worth it. Not having to pull the clutch out again in a few months if you decide to up your power or end up you're towing a lot. So that's what I went with, and I'm really happy with it. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see what's in the box. So first of all, we're gonna start off. This is the pressure plate here. Here, I can flip this up for you. So this here is your pressure plate. Nothing too special, nothing too fancy on the outside. Alrighty, box number 2. So this is going to be our flywheel here. We got a nice new flywheel, comes with all new hardware to bolt the pressure plate to. Comes with all new bolts to bolt the flywheel to the crankshaft, which is nice. And we've got our pilot bearing already installed, nice ball bearing. And I would lift this up for you to show you the other side, but it is so freaking heavy. So I ordered this kit. This is all one kit, comes together, 2 boxes. You get the clutch, you get the clutch kit, you get the flywheel together. I ordered this from XDP, ExtremeDieselPerformance.com, and they had pretty good shipping. They had the best price. The shipping was maybe 3 days. I mean, we went over the weekend with Memorial Day, but without that we would have had about 3 days, and it was free shipping. Anything over $50 is free shipping on XDP. So I thought that was pretty cool. It was the best price, free shipping. I mean, you can't really beat it. But like I said, this clutch is from South Bend. It's good for 425 horsepower, 900 foot-pounds of torque. Now, since the boring stuff is out of the way, what we have here is a remanufactured, fully updated NV4500 transmission, manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. We got this from the company out of Texas. Their name is Allstate Gear. They don't advertise a lot. They're not big on social media, but I mean, they're a great group of guys to work with. They were super fast shipping. They were the best price by far out of all the other companies I talked to about getting a transmission. I would highly recommend them. Good free shipping. And let's get into it. As you guys may or may not know, the NV4500 is a really good transmission. They have a couple flaws. One of the flaws being the main shaft. So the main shaft in the transmission, on the 5th gear area, where the 5th gear goes on, there's only splines about maybe a 1/2 inch of the gear, and the gear I think in total is 1.5 inches. So you've got, an inch or so that is not on any splines. So for your 5th gear, you've only got the gear riding on a 1/2 inch width of splines, and that likes to get kind of wallowed out and can start making noise on you. Also, the famous 5th gear problem, where the 5th gear nut actually falls off and then you lose 5th gear completely. That's not going to happen with this transmission. This is fully updated. It's got the updated shaft. It's got the updated 5th gear nut. It's ready to go. So you see this transmission here with the shifter on it. That is not included. I decided to go ahead and get a new shifter with mine because I figured if I am going to get a new transmission, it should feel like a new transmission when I go to drive it. My old shifter has 250,000 miles on it, and it shows. It's got a little slop in it, and I'll show you this thing. it's nice and tight. So that was well worth it in my opinion. Didn't cost much more to get that added in, and well worth it. Saved on the shipping also, because they threw it on transmission, so didn't cost any shipping. So this is a remanufactured unit. So basically what that means is when someone buys a transmission from them like I did, I'm going to send them my old transmission. They are going to take it all apart. They're going to put all the good parts in it. They're going to clean it up, make it look just like this. Nice paint, everything. And they're going to send it up to somebody else and take their old transmission and do the same thing and sell it to somebody else. It's remanufactured. So basically the only thing that is stock is the case. The case is stock, which if the case is bad, they're not going to reuse them. If it's good, they're going to put new parts in them and send them out. They're cast iron cases, so it's really hard to mess them up. They put all new bearings, new shafts, everything new that they need, and they're going to be ready to go. So this transmission comes with a 1-year warranty, and in that 1 year, it's unlimited miles. So if I put 40,000 miles on this transmission in 11 months and something happens to it, they're going to cover it for warranty. So that's pretty good. A lot of people that I've talked to about transmissions, they're maybe 1 year 10,000 miles, 1 year 20,000 miles. These guys are 1 year unlimited miles. So that's another big selling point. And just to give you guys sort of a reference, this transmission came in about, I want to say about $500 cheaper than everybody else that I had talked to about it. So better warranty, cheaper, free shipping, a lot of good reviews. So here, let's check out the paperwork they send with it. So basically they tell you about the warranty, they tell you what kind of fluid to put in, how much to put in, basically all the fail-safes. You have to send this in to register for your warranty. Transmission, they make sure to let you know that there is absolutely no oil in these things, and you will burn it up if you do not put oil in it. So I like that, appreciate that. Let's give you guys a look at everything. Everything looks really nice. Paint looks really nice too. I actually really like the black and the gray. I think that actually looks pretty cool. So this has been my unboxing video of my new South Bend clutch kit and my new rebuilt NV4500 transmission that's going to be going in my dually this Saturday, a couple days from now. So stay tuned for that video. If you like this video, if you like videos like this, I mean, give me a like. I mean, that's kind of the only way that I know if you guys like the videos I'm making, is if you look at the likes, and if you comment. I always respond to every comment. I read every comment. So if you guys have any questions or anything I can help you with, please feel free to reach out to me. I always respond, and I'd be glad to help you and chat with you, whatever. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, I can almost taste it. We've grown so much in these last couple months, and it's just been amazing, and I appreciate every one of you guys, and I know you guys like the videos. A lot of people are commenting, telling me that you guys like everything, so I'm real happy about that. It makes it easier to do these kind of things when I can hear that it's helping people and they're enjoying what I'm putting out. So stay tuned for the transmission install, the clutch install, and we're going to be doing a rear main seal install on this truck as well. So stay tuned for that. It'll be coming up in a few days, and we'll see y'all in the next one.